Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Honda StepWagon. It has 60,934 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This StepWagon is also 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 doors, one rear sliding door and one rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. 98,065, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 60,934. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd love to answer any questions that y'all may have. I would like to tell you guys thank you for everything. I appreciate the continual support. It really does mean a lot to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.